Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2009 Yamaha V-Star 1300 that I want to show you. It's a liquid-cooled bike, 1300cc liquid-cooled V-twin. Got a 5-speed transmission. Been upgraded with a set of highway bars here. Our engine guard with the highway pegs, fully adjustable pegs. Really nice paint on this bike. All the front end hardware looks good. Pretty decent tire on the front. Front fender looks real nice. I don't see any rock pecks or chips on that. A large windshield on it that looks real good and clean, clear. Got a few little rubs on it, I guess, but I'm sure see through it fine. Blue and silver paint combination looks really nice on this V-Star. Heel toe shifter, rider floorboards, big nice comfortable saddle, passenger pad, got passenger backrest with the luggage rack, lockable. These are hard molded leather covered bags there. Rear tire's got a good bit of tread left on it as well. This is a belt drive bike. Paint really looks nice. Didn't see anything I needed to point out to you on the paint. This thing just looks real clean on it. Factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. See how many miles we got on it. It's only got 4,592 miles on an 09 model. Man, that's good miles. Pops right off, no issues with that. We ran it through the shop and checked it out. We do have a full service department. We check all our bikes out and inspect them, service them before we put them out on the lot for sale. This 2009 qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. This one's in fine shape. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. See just a little rub on the bag right here. Looks like maybe a boot went across the top of it. This other one looks real good. Got a little, just a couple little spots right there, but not bad at all. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.